Hi, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam, and I'm fixing to do a wreath DIY. Now, I did totally get the colors and the flower and the Dollar Tree wreath idea from Style My Treats. You can look her up. She also makes videos, and I like the wreath, so I decided to make 4 of them of my own so I can put them on the insides and outsides of the gates or the burglar bars that go to my Glitzy Glam, just so that it doesn't look so much like burglar bars. I decorate them, and so it looks nice and pretty. Now what I did was I took these metal wreath forms from the Dollar Tree, and I used the back side because the back side was concaved, and it just fit the flowers better, and you can't even tell that I'm decorating the backs of the wreaths. So the first thing I did was I took the vines and I hot glued that around the wreath, just so that the leaves are random and randomly decorated around the wreath. And then it also has a pumpkin. So that's the first thing I did. I hot glued the fall vines with the pumpkin around the wreath base. Then what I did was I took flowers and grouped them 3 at a time to make these little groupings. Now I chose 3 different colors. I put 3 flowers here, I put 3 flowers here, and 3 flowers here. Now these are the chrysanthemums. Sorry, I can barely say chrysanthemums. The mums, and then this one, the burgundy peony. I can't say the name of these flowers, but anyway, they're very pretty. It's a burgundy cream, and then this dark orange. And as you can see, I don't cover up the leaves. I just cover up the wreath base. And then this is what the wreath looks like. It's got cream, burgundy, dark orange, and then I took the small mums or chrysanthemums and glued them into the cream colored ones so that they're also sticking out kind of random, and the leaves are sticking out. And here's the little pumpkin here. It's real cute. And then where I thought that I had left maybe a little too much space between flowers, or it just looked like it showed the wire wreath, I added matching colored sunflowers. And I really think the sunflowers and the one peony and the pumpkin and the leaves really add to this wreath. But that's really how I did it. First the vines, then cream, cranberry, and orange until I went all the way around, and then I put in some more flowers, and I'm going to do all 4 of them just like this, and it's going to be really, really pretty. Well, thank you for watching the video. If you liked the wreath or the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want me to keep doing DIYs and organizing videos, and you really are enjoying these, subscribe to my channel. I want to tell you thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I enjoyed this. This is a little hobby, and I appreciate you.